Wind energy is a renowned source of energy used in several countries in Europe and all across America, and is most popular in countrysides. The use of windmills has proved to be mostly productive as it is pure and non-polluting and can power small towns and villages. Evidently, the source of wind power is wind. It is a renewable resource, meaning that it can be replaced within the time scale of the same order when harvested or used. It also benefits the environment by releasing minimal carbon emissions and pollution. Wind energy is obtained by wind turbines. These turbines are most popularly located near hills in the countryside. Turbines that are located near farms only produce enough energy to power a few farm machineries. However, wind farms are built on flat lands, open areas, where the wind blows at least 14 miles per hour. These wind farms can create enough electrical power for 1 million homes. By being placed on tall landscapes, turbines are subject to faster winds that push and blow the blades attached to the turbine. This movement of the blades is kinetic energy that is then turned into another form of power.
MEDCs, which are more economically developed countries, can profit greatly from this type of energy, as it would be cheap and would be sufficient in providing energy. Although the building of turbines demands high funding, the energy itself is cheap to obtain and is clean. LEDCs, which are less economically developed countries, will also highly benefit from using this type of energy, as it can power small towns and countries even if turbines are built in abundance. However, the cost of building the turbines still stands as a dilemma for LEDCs, as they do not receive sufficient funding. Since the energy is pure and clean, it will not harm the environment and is effective in solving the air pollution and global warming problems that most LEDCs face today. Wind energy is very easy to obtain without the hassle of drilling, transporting, mining, or burning. It is also known to be renewable and sustainable and doesn't cost much for that quality. The only trait that requires money is the infrastructure. Wind energy can be used domestically and is abundant in domestic supply. It can be utilized almost anywhere and is easy to use. It is globally beneficial because it doesn't produce greenhouse gases and doesn't change the global weather. The wind turbines only occupy a small piece of land, and so there are still opportunities for farming. They also come in different sizes depending on the amount of energy needed.
No one has complete control of nature. No one can accurately predict whether or not there will always be enough wind to power the turbines. This is why this form of energy is unreliable and unstable. Installing large-scale turbines is always costly. This is why the government is usually needed to help fund the wind power market. Wind turbines are also considered to be a scar on the face of the scenery. Many people believe they destroy the nature and beauty of the countryside. The blades of the wind turbines are also said to be the reason for thousands of aerial animals' deaths, such as birds and bats. Turbines also cause a change in local weather. Usually, hot air floats on top of cold air. However, with the turbines in place, the blades mix the hot and cold air together, causing changes in temperature.